Okay, here's one for you. Why is Nick Dutch, naming myself, interested in tarot and all that crap? Well, because it's curious, alright? And in my opinion, I think it would be good if more public funds was actually spent on providing research and experimentation into the phenomena at hand. I really think that this is quite important. Why? Because it connects with basic human experiences. Now, if you can just discount, I should say, all of the experiences which are proven frauds or misinterpretations and so on and so forth, you'll still be left with a handful of experiences which are in fact genuine, not because they are proof of what the believers think they are, okay, but because they are experiences that people have. It's a genuine experience. It's not necessarily a genuine proof of one particular theological point of view upon what the supernatural is about, okay. These experiences happen, therefore it says something about us as human beings because we have the capacity to have these experiences. Now, why do I think the public funds should actually be spent upon proper psychic research? It's because I think it's a question of priorities. These things overlap with humanity. Okay, think about all the millions which is spent on, I don't know, landing probes on asteroids or into black hole research. Okay, some of that can actually be useful when it comes to deflecting an asteroid that might be coming in contact with planet Earth at some point in the future. But the vast majority of, like, let's say, the research into atomic physics or the Higgs boson particle, it doesn't necessarily overlap with human experience. It doesn't deal with any particular major social problem or human problem. But yet, the experiences that people call psychic experiences do, because those are experiences that people actually have. Therefore, what's really going on here? Why are we researching the Higgs boson particle and spending money on it? Okay, your the taxpayers' dollars or pounds or whatever or euros, rather than things which actually impact humans. All right. Now, we as a species know an awful lot more about the surface of the moon than we do about the depths of our own oceans. I think that that's an issue of priorities as well. I think that we should be looking a lot more at our own oceans and a lot more about our own planet than the moon, in my humble opinion. But also, I think that we should be spending an awful lot more time studying humanity and focusing in on the needs of people and the experiences of people and the psychology and biology and biochemistry and psychological chemistry and brainwave activity of human beings, because I believe that people are quite important. All right, I think that we should have. I mean, it's like, where is your heart? All right, is your heart about the planets, or is your heart about the moon? Okay, is your heart about the people in the planet, or is your heart about, like, asteroids and black holes and Higgs boson particle? Is there actually a moral dimension to where we should be applying our research? And how they should be brought about, I don't know, and I should make that perfectly clear. We do still need to look into outer space. We still need to look into new forms of, physics and chemistry and biology and all the rest of that. And yes, quantum physics is important too, but what about humans? All right, what about the people? There's just a few points of view for today. I mean, just leave your comments below as usual. Tell me how crazy you think I am down below. Just go for it. I don't care. Then we'll see what kind of ideas we can come up with somehow.